Alzheimer's disease is often seen as something that only affects the elderly, but for 5 to 10% of patients, it begins much earlier. Known as early-onset Alzheimer's, this rare form of the disease can strike in a person's 40s or 50s, and it tends to progress more aggressively. Treatment options? Still very limited. But a new study has sparked fresh hope. Researchers have been revisiting an experimental drug called gantenerumab. Once shelved, this antibody-based treatment is making headlines again, and here's why. In a recent clinical trial involving people with rare genetic mutations linked to early-onset Alzheimer's, gantenerumab showed promising results. The drug targets amyloid beta plaques, toxic clumps that build up in the brain and are believed to be a key factor in Alzheimer's. By attaching to these plaques, gantenerumab helps the brain's immune cells recognize and remove them. In a small group of participants who had no cognitive symptoms at the start of the trial, taking the drug for an average of 8 years cut their risk of developing symptoms in half. Brain scans also showed a significant drop in amyloid plaque buildup. However, the treatment isn't without risks. Over 50% of participants experienced side effects like brain swelling or small bleeds, known as amyloid-related imaging abnormalities. And while the drug reduced plaque, it's still unclear how much it improves memory or thinking long-term. Still, the results are encouraging. Gantenerumab isn't a cure, and more research is needed. But in the race to slow Alzheimer's, especially in those affected far too young, even small steps forward are cause for